Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news. Stellenbosch FC are assessing former Orlando Pirates defender Olisa Ndah after his exit in the recent transfer window. There are reports that says that Ndah is being assessed by Stellenbosch FC and he has started training with the hope of securing a contract under Gavin Hunt. The 28-year-old made 81 appearances for the Buccaneers, where he was somewhat of a fan favorite. However, he was troubled by injuries. The Nigerian international won 3 MTN 8 titles and 2 Nedbank Cup trophies with the Buccaneers, but the club opted to part ways with him in the recent transfer window. He last played an official match in September 2024 against Polokwane City, a game that Orlando Pirates won 3-0. And his other recent match was in the Carling All-Star in the Black Label Cup final. Should he impress at Stellies, he could add more experience to the defense. What do you think of this move should it happen for Olisa Ndah to join Stellenbosch FC? Do you think it's a good move? Let me hear your thoughts regarding that. Mamelodi Sundowns have tabled a significant offer for Golden Arrows winger Siyanda Ndlovu. The 23-year-old attacker has emerged as one of the most exciting talent in the Premier Soccer League, consistently delivering impressive performances for Abafana Stand. His pace, creativity, and an eye for a goal has made him a standout figure in the Arrow squad. Ndlovu has been a mainstay for Manqoba Mngqithi-led outfit this season, featuring 19 games across all competitions, where he scored 4 goals and 5 assists. His outstanding form has earned him recognition when he scooped both the Betway Premiership Player of the Month and also the Goal of the Month for September and October. And now there are sources that says that Sundowns have now submitted a significant offer as they attempt to lower the skillful winger to Chloorkop ahead of next season. The Brazilians are believed to be keen to strengthening their attacking option as they continue to compete on multiple fronts domestically and on the continent. However, Sundowns are not alone in the race for Ndlovu's signature, with Orlando Pirates also understood to be monitoring the situation closely, setting up a potential transfer tussle between the two country's biggest clubs. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Siyanda Ndlovu's potential move to Mamelodi Sundowns? Do you think it will be a good move for him and also for Sundowns? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.